Have you ever noticed that luxury kitchens and beautifully styled bathrooms always seem to have something special about them? At first glance, it's difficult to pinpoint exactly what makes them look so polished. The countertops aren't necessarily larger. The accessories aren't always expensive. The decor often appears surprisingly simple. Yet somehow, everything feels intentional, elegant, balanced, professional. If you've ever wondered what creates that high-end designer look, the answer may be much simpler than you think. In fact, one of the most powerful styling secrets used by interior designers isn't a luxury appliance, a rare decorative object, or an expensive renovation. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. It's elevation. More specifically, it's the strategic use of risers, small platforms that lift everyday objects just a few inches above the surrounding surface. That subtle change in height can completely transform how a countertop feels. A soap dispenser suddenly looks curated. A candle becomes a focal point. A collection of kitchen essentials begins to resemble a designer display rather than everyday clutter. And the best part, you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on decorative accessories to achieve this effect. Today, we're exploring how to create beautiful handmade wooden risers using nothing more than leftover cutting board scraps and basic woodworking techniques. These simple projects are affordable, sustainable, beginner-friendly, and incredibly effective at bringing luxury styling into your home. Because sometimes the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is only a few inches. Let's get started. One of the biggest misconceptions about interior design is that beautiful spaces require expensive decorations. In reality, professional designers often focus less on the objects themselves and more on how those objects are arranged. Presentation matters. Visual hierarchy matters. Balance matters. And that's exactly where risers come into play. Imagine placing a soap bottle directly on a countertop. It's functional, but visually it tends to disappear. Now imagine placing that same soap bottle on a beautifully crafted wooden riser. Suddenly, it feels important. The eye notices it. The object gains presence. The countertop gains dimension. This simple principle is used throughout luxury interior design. Elevating an item changes the way we perceive it. Instead of looking accidental, it begins to look intentional. And intentionality is one of the defining characteristics of high-end decor. What's particularly interesting is how such a small project can create such a dramatic impact. Unlike large furniture builds that require significant materials and workshop space, wooden risers can often be created from scraps many woodworkers already have lying around. Those leftover cutting board pieces sitting in the corner of the shop. Short hardwood offcuts. Small strips too valuable to throw away, but too small for larger projects. These forgotten materials are perfect for riser construction. In fact, cutting board scraps often contain some of the most attractive wood available. Maple, walnut, cherry. Beautiful hardwoods with rich grain patterns and natural warmth. Instead of allowing those scraps to gather dust, we can transform them into something both practical and beautiful. Before making the first cut, it's worth understanding why wooden risers have become so popular. The answer lies in the growing popularity of warm minimalism. For years, home decor trends focused heavily on filling spaces with objects. More accessories, more decorations, more visual stimulation. Today, many homeowners are moving in the opposite direction. They want fewer items, but they want those items to feel more meaningful, more intentional, more refined. Wooden risers support this philosophy perfectly. They don't add clutter. They organize it. They create structure. They establish visual order. A countertop that once felt chaotic suddenly feels composed. The transformation isn't created by adding more objects. It's created by presenting existing objects more effectively. This distinction is important. Great design often comes from arrangement rather than accumulation. As we begin selecting material for our risers, one principle quickly becomes clear. Simplicity wins. The most elegant risers rarely feature elaborate carvings or excessive ornamentation. Instead, they rely on clean lines, balanced proportions, and beautiful materials. This restraint allows the wood itself to become the star. Natural grain patterns provide texture. Subtle color variations create interest. The craftsmanship speaks quietly rather than demanding attention. This understated approach aligns perfectly with modern design aesthetics. Whether your home leans towards Scandinavian, Japandi, farmhouse, modern organic, or minimalist styling, a simple wooden riser can integrate effortlessly. Versatility is part of its appeal. Once the wood is selected, preparation becomes the focus. Even small projects deserve careful attention. Professional-looking results often come from simple habits repeated consistently. Edges are squared. Surfaces are flattened. Measurements are verified. Attention to detail at this stage influences everything that follows. Many beginners rush through preparation because they are eager to see progress. Experienced woodworkers understand that preparation creates quality. A few extra minutes spent refining material often saves hours of frustration later. As the pieces begin taking shape, the beauty of the project becomes apparent. Unlike many woodworking builds, wooden risers require relatively few components. A top platform, a pair of supports, clean joinery, simple assembly. Yet despite this simplicity, the finished product can dramatically enhance a room. Few projects offer such a favorable ratio between effort and visual impact. This is one reason risers make excellent beginner projects. They teach valuable woodworking skills while producing something genuinely useful. And usefulness matters. Projects are far more rewarding when they become part of everyday life. As assembly begins, proportion becomes increasingly important. A successful riser feels balanced. The height should complement the objects it will display. The footprint should provide stability without overwhelming the countertop. These considerations may seem minor, but they influence how professional the final piece feels. Good design often involves restraint. The goal isn't to create a large platform. The goal is to create just enough elevation, just enough presence, just enough visual separation. This subtlety is what creates sophistication. Once assembled, sanding becomes one of the most satisfying stages of the project. The transformation from rough components to finished piece begins to emerge. Sharp edges soften. Tool marks disappear. The wood becomes pleasant to touch. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Luxury furniture often communicates quality through tactile experience. The moment someone runs a hand across the surface, they know whether care was invested in a project. Even though a riser is a small object, it deserves the same attention to detail as larger furniture. Quality is a habit, not a size category. As the finish is applied, the wood reveals its personality. Grain patterns become richer. Colors deepen. Textures become more pronounced. This stage never loses its magic. No matter how many projects a woodworker completes, watching finish bring wood to life remains deeply satisfying. The right finish protects the surface while enhancing natural beauty. For kitchen and bathroom applications, durability becomes especially important. These environments experience moisture, temperature fluctuations, and daily use. A protective finish helps ensure the riser remains beautiful for years. At this point, many people might assume the project is complete. But in reality, another important step remains: styling. The way a riser is used often determines its impact. A bathroom provides an excellent example. Imagine a countertop containing a soap dispenser, a small candle, and a folded hand towel. Placed individually, these items can appear disconnected. Placed together on a wooden riser, they become a composition, a vignette, a deliberate arrangement. The space feels curated rather than cluttered. The same principle applies in kitchens. Olive oil bottles, salt containers, small plants, coffee accessories. Placed directly on the counter, they occupy space. Placed on a riser, they create design. This distinction explains why risers have become favorites among interior stylists. They simplify visual organization. Another advantage of wooden risers is their ability to introduce warmth. Modern interiors sometimes struggle with excessive hard surfaces. Stone countertops, glass fixtures, metal hardware. While beautiful, these materials can occasionally feel cold. Wood provides balance. Its natural texture softens the environment. Its organic appearance creates comfort. Even a small wooden riser can significantly influence the atmosphere of a room. This effect becomes especially noticeable in bathrooms, where hard surfaces often dominate. A simple wooden platform introduces warmth that transforms the overall feeling of the space. As homeowners increasingly embrace sustainable design, risers offer another compelling benefit. They make excellent use of reclaimed materials and workshop leftovers. Every year, countless hardwood offcuts are discarded because they seem too small for major projects. Yet those same pieces can become beautiful decorative objects. This approach aligns perfectly with sustainable woodworking principles. Less waste, more creativity, greater appreciation for material. The value of wood should never be measured solely by board size. Sometimes the smallest pieces create the most meaningful projects. Perhaps that's one reason risers are so satisfying to build. They challenge assumptions. A scrap becomes a centerpiece. Onufka bukum decor. A leftover becomes luxury. The transformation is inspiring because it demonstrates the power of craftsmanship. The material hasn't changed dramatically. The perspective has. As the finished riser finds its place within the home, another transformation occurs. The countertop changes. Not physically, visually, emotionally. The space feels more intentional, more organized, more elevated. And that's really what great design is all about. Not creating perfection, creating intention. The most beautiful homes aren't necessarily filled with expensive objects. They're filled with thoughtful decisions. Every element has a purpose. Every arrangement contributes to the atmosphere. Every detail supports the larger vision. Wooden risers embody this philosophy perfectly. They are simple, functional, affordable, yet remarkably effective. And perhaps that's their greatest strength. They prove that luxury isn't always about spending more. Sometimes it's about using what you already have more thoughtfully. A few scraps of hardwood, a little creativity, a bit of craftsmanship. That's all it takes to create something capable of transforming an ordinary countertop into a designer display. The next time you walk through a beautifully styled kitchen or bathroom, pay attention to the small details. Look for elevation. Look for layers. Look for intentional arrangements. Chances are you'll begin noticing risers everywhere. Not because they're demanding attention, but because they're quietly making everything around them look better. And once you understand that secret, you'll never look at countertop decor the same way again. Because sometimes the most powerful design upgrades aren't the largest ones. Sometimes they're only a few inches tall. Yet their impact can completely transform a space. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.